Hey guys, so I was on AliExpress and thought, I should try some random cheap switches. So I went ahead and found these outemu switches, and I looked through the page and it looked quite appealing, and I noticed there wasn't a lot of buyers, so I went ahead and bought them. So it arrived in roughly 2 weeks, and I went straight into leaving them because I was so excited to try them out. They were pre-lubed, as you can see here, but went ahead and lubed them anyways, and yeah, now I'll be giving you guys the final result.